Nagmalampuson ang bagway lamang na humaan nga araw ng Davao Dragon Boat Race niadtong Domingo, Marso 12 sa Coastal Road times Beach ning siyudad sa Davao. 19 ka mga teams gikan sa siyam na lugar sa nasod ang nisalmot sa tulo ka kategorya sa maong kompetisyon. Nidaog ang CGY Oro Dragons isip champion sa women's ug mixed category. Samtang kampiyon sa men's category ang RMMC Bluefins. Sumala nila Kirby J. Pungtod, team captain, ug Claudine Francis Arbon, team manager sa CGY Oro Dragons. Dakong kalampusan para nila ang mahimong kampiyon sa kompetisyon dala ang ngalan sa syudad sa Cagayan de Oro.
Dako kay mong pasalamat no nga we are one of the teams that were invited here to participate sa araw ng Davao Dragon Boat Race. We are from CGY Oro Dragons and we drove more or less 6 hours from Cagayan de Oro to be here, bringing with us 35 crew sa Dragon Boat. Daghan kay mig challenges sa team. Isa na adto is ang finances namo sa team. Majority of our crew are students, so they have difficulty raising the fund to come here. And then despite that, we were able to push with our trainings 4 times a week. And aside ana, there are some emotional struggles and other trials as well with the team, which is amo ra gihapon na come up, and that's why we are blessed to gain or the podium finish here and duha ka gold am nakuha.
One of the motivations really of the team is our passion for the sport. When we started this sport, ang amuag yung mga bata, ang amuang mga members are already passionate to be an athlete of this sport, of this Dragon Boat sport. So maugid na nga in every race ang among paningkamot is to bring pride and glory para sa amuang city, which is Cagayan de Oro City.
Kasi inyong pasalamaton karon.
First and foremost, we would like to thank our parents for supporting us nga gipad apil ang mga bata nila and the students to come here. The schools they're into, mga deans and their teachers, na sila excuse letter and they were given a chance to participate and join us here. And also, daghan kami pasalamat ka.
And most especially, we would like to thank our coaches who have been with us through the years na even virtual lang ang amuang communication, but they were able to help us with our training program. They were able to help us motivate the team para nga ma-reach gid namo ang amuang goal to win every race. So daghan kayong salamat especially sa mga parents namong tanan for allowing us to bring these people, to let them travel far from our city. Thank you so much for your help and for your support, especially to Mayor Tarek Uy of Cagayan de Oro City. Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you as well, Congressman Lordan Suwan, for the monetary assistance. And we would like to thank
as always, Dragon Boat Cagayan for helping us hone our skills and talents ani nga sport by organizing mini regatta every before major races para nga ma-test and ma-check yun namo ang progress as a team before we compete to a big event. So thank you so much. We would not achieve these gold medals, these awards without your help. Thank you so much.
Ma'am Pinky, Coach Akim, thank you.
Dakong kalipay sab alang kang Linwell Villamor, miyembro sa RMMC Dragon Boat Team, isip kampiyon sa men's category.
As a president, sir, I'm so proud of them kay nakasulid ang Team B. Proud kayo sa Team B yun.
Sa may motivation sa inyong nakadaog mo aning contest.
So kami, buhat lang kami, training lang may, kamot lang yun, hard work, determination.
Hey, that was the best song. Buhana Rescue, thank you very much. Oh, let's go. the second runner-up.